Today we're here with Justin Frosini, who you've met before actually in this blog. Justin is the head of the CCSDD, which is a think tank that's affiliated, actually a partner of the Bologna Center. And we're here to discuss the seminar that Justin is leading this week here today and tomorrow in the Bologna Center. Justin, could you just say a few words about what the seminar is and why it's important?
Sure. It's a seminar which has as a title Islam and Europe, Religion, Law and Identity, and it's a conference that we've organized together with the Protection Project, which is at SAIS Washington, and with the Bologna Center. So it's basically co-organized by the CCSDD, by the Protection Project and the Bologna Center of SAIS. It's actually part of an ongoing collaboration between SAIS Bologna, the CCSDD and the Protection Project. This is actually the third conference we've organised of this sort, and we have experts from various parts of Europe, United States, and in particular from Iran, and the Mofid University in Iran.
What's the subject of the conference? Well,
we're addressing all the issues related to the Islamic community in Europe, and looking at all the implications of the relationship between Europe and Islam, issues of integration, and how from a legal and also social standpoint this should be dealt with. And we've various sessions that are dealing with freedom of religion, freedom of speech, looking at the relationship that the Islamic community has with single countries in Europe. We've just finished a session where we had two speakers that were talking about, for example, the situation in Belgium as far as the Islamic community is concerned, and another talk who was talking about sort of the issue of why up until now in Italy there has been no agreement between the Islamic community and the Italian state.
Could you just say a word on the participation of the Bologna Center on the part of faculty and students?
Sure. It's a workshop, so we have people coming in and out during at the end and beginning of lectures, so we've had quite a good participation of students from the Bologna Center, faculty, but also a lot of people from outside as well. We've had lots of people taking part that have come from other parts of Italy and Europe.
And if a student were interested in this kind of work, how would they get involved?
Well, they could do it either through the CCSDD in Bologna, or they could, if they're particularly interested in the work that the Protection Project is doing, they could contact the Protection Project at Washington SAIS.
Great. Thanks very much, Justin.
Okay, thank you, Nelson.
Cheers.
No exam and no paper on Islamic law at SAIS. And I got a question from the audience, and the question was very simple.